we, the undersigned members of the plebiscite board of canvassers, pursuant to Republic Act number 10164, dated May 15, 2012, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the results of the plebiscite held on July 21, 2012. Affirmative votes, 14,078. Negative votes, 5,389. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim that the conversion of the municipality of Mabalacat, province of Pampanga into a component city of same province, pursuant to Republic Act number 10164, dated May 15, 2012, was ratified and approved by the majority votes cast in the plebiscite held in the municipality of Mabalacat.